Welcome back, Wogglers. So we're in Zoho Campaigns today, and let's say, for instance, you got your Zoho Campaigns up and running and you were so excited you wanted to send it an email out immediately, and then you got a pop-up that said your company details were not fully filled out. What if you wanted to do that ahead of time? Let me show you how. All right, so in your Zoho Campaigns, on the left-hand side is all of your normal stuff, but the company details, that's more of a setup back end thing. So you're gonna go to the top right corner, hit that setup gear, and then from here, here's where you have the kind of the back end stuff, right? So underneath general, you'll want your company details here. And this is where you're gonna put in your address and your website URL if you have one. The required fields, if you go ahead and click edit over there on the right side, required fields are company name, address, phone number, and industry. And the reason is they kind of use that to verify that it's a valid email address, verify that there is in fact a real and working phone number, and that all actually helps on the back end for email deliverability, because when you've put those things into Zoho Campaigns has verified that it's not a junk email address. You know, sometimes spammers will put ipsum lorem on the bottoms of their emails or in their footers or something like that to kind of get around certain security measures and things like that. This is part of Zoho helping you deliver more emails and actually have them be delivered to email inboxes instead of getting stopped and put into spam immediately. So that's why that's important. So in fact, the more information that you can have here in the company details, honestly, the better. So, you know, actually come in here and change the logo from this little picture of a building to your actual logo. If you have an active and working website, put that in there as well. If you have a privacy policy, you can have that. That could even be like an unpublished page on your website, if you will, just with some privacy language around it. You can put the direct link there. So all of these things, again, are just verifying that you are a real company, and they're verifying that that these links aren't broken. Kind of all of that stuff, again, just to be able to deliver your emails. But there you go. So that's how you update your company profile. And if you go back into settings here, you can update your personal user profile. And again, honestly, the more stuff that you're filling out, the more it can be verified and the better your delivery rate is going to be. So see you in the flip side. Woggle woggle.